Back out Alabama public land duck hunting. I'm still in a cane blind, still targeting bufflehead, but I've moved to a different spot. This is the longest paddle I've ever done to get to a spot. It's about 1.6 miles, so about 3.2 miles round trip of getting out here and then getting back. Yesterday was a bust, first skunk of the season. There's still no ducks around. The bufflehead are the only ducks I know where are. They did not work yesterday. Hopefully they'll work today. That's why I tried a new spot. Hunting out of the kayak today, hunting out of the Ascend H12. We'll see how that goes. There's a little bit of wind, putting a little chop on the water, so the kayak's going to be bouncing. It's already hard enough shooting laying down, and we add a little chop to it, it's going to make it even harder. But this is a small cane blind, and the ground is really soft here. It's about waist deep and you sink down in it, so I think hunting out of the kayak is going to be my best option. Hey guys, first bird of the day, a young drake. I actually thought it was a hen when I shot it, but you can see it is actually a young drake. I missed a shoveler on the water swat. Hen bufflehead there, and a hen bufflehead there. And I got my elusive, plumed out drake shoveler. I know you guys think this is going to be crazy, but I've been trying to kill one of these fully plumed drake shovelers for a long time. Being in the blind hurt me. I had to, or having to lay down hurt me, because when they flew over, they gave me a really good shot if I was standing, but having to lay down because of water depth, yeah, kick on to me. Having to lay down because of water depth and how muddy it is didn't allow me to shoot that way. I don't care what you guys say. I know a lot of people don't shoot these. I think the drakes are beautiful. Hollywood. Sweet. Hey guys, I hate that I didn't get this on film, on nothing. GoPro, shot cam, one in the water, nothing. But this drake just did it perfect. Came right in, decoyed right in, exactly where I wanted it to. Sorry y'all didn't get to see any of it. That was a bluebill. Did you hear me? He's coming back.
I mean, just one.
Yeah, just a single.
Right there.
Yeah. Got him that time. I'm pretty sure it's a bluebill. That's what it looked like. He was dumb enough to come back around, I know that. So I'm at 4. It may be another shoveler, but I thought it was a bluebill. It was flying fast like a diver.
What is it, a shoveler, you said?
I hadn't got to it yet. It's got a dark brown chest and a solid white body. It may be a ringneck, it may be a bluebill. I'm pretty sure it's a diver. I think it's a bluebill, but I hadn't got to it yet. When I shot at it, I thought it was a bluebill.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. First one I've ever seen down here.
Yeah. Well.
Bird number 4, a drake bluebill. Sweet. At mid-morning update, we are seeing very few ducks, but most of them that we are seeing are working in. I'm up to 4 drake bluebill, 2 drake buffleheads, and a drake shoveler. I've been after that drake shoveler for a long time. I know that sounds silly. I've killed some drakes, but none that were plumed out. I'm so excited to have that duck today. Do I want a hen to try to get my limit? No. I'm gonna let her go. That's probably a dumb choice. Just missed a drake. Maybe that hen sitting there. Pull that drake back around. In about 30 minutes, I'm gonna be wishing I shot that duck. All right, well, I just missed a drake bufflehead, flew through the decoys. I don't think a camera got it. Ended up having to shoot kind of to my right side, which if any of you shoot out of layout blinds or kayaks, you know, if you're right-handed, shooting on your right side is very difficult. I should have waited to see if it would circle back around. When I looked to see where it was going, when I turned back around, there was a hen in the decoys. I chose not to take her. I'm probably going to regret that in about 30 minutes. It's been so slow this year. I'd love to get another limit. I only got 1 so far. It has been a slow season. No birds. The birds that are here, they are so stale, it's almost impossible to get them to come in. So I probably should have took that bird. The first duck I shot today, I thought was a hen when I shot it, so I should have went ahead and took that one. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it bites me in the tail. They're a little bit high, but if they fly right over me. Oh, shovelers. It's a whole flock of shovelers. Had I been standing, I probably would have got a shot. I kind of had a shot at the two that kind of flew the closest, but I thought the whole group was going to set up. That group is still up working. I thought they had left. I need them to come in front and low. It's too high. It's the right side of the kayak. Cuff and drop. Alright, don't go behind me. I can't shoot that way. And there's some nice drakes in there. Are you kidding me? bird number 4. No, bird number 5, another drake shoveler. There was a whole flock, had a lot of pretty mature drakes in it, but they flew on the wrong side of the kayak. The one time they flew on my side, I thought they were a little bit out of range. So we're gonna sit not too much longer. The wind's starting to get up. I want to be sure I can get out of here safe. Like I said, I got a little over 1.5 miles paddle to get back, and so I'm gonna pack up pretty soon before the wind gets up. It's supposed to pick up throughout the morning, and so I'm gonna give it about 20 more minutes, see if we can't get something else. Well, I hate that I got another one off camera for you, but I just got another drake bufflehead. We done. All right guys, there's the limit bird. I did not get him on camera. He came in perfect. I was actually getting some water out of the kayak when he came in. I ran 10 buffleheads, 6 gadwall, and a mallard spinner. All drake, mixed bag, New Year's Day limit. All right guys, I finished up my 1.6 mile paddle back out, 3.2 miles total round trip back home in the garage. I ended with my limit, a mixed bag all drake limit. 3 bufflehead. One was a very immature drake, but you can definitely tell that it's a drake, a bluebill, and 2 shovelers. I've been after those shovelers for a long time. I keep missing them, the fully plumed. I've killed some of the ones that were not plumed out, but you could tell was a drake. Finally got me a fully plumed drake shoveler. Really excited about that. Thank you guys for watching. If you've not yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, let me know how your season's going. It's been tough here in Alabama. Very few birds, 60 degrees most days. Has been very difficult to get on some birds. That's why I keep chasing these bufflehead, chasing these divers.